If you're upgrading your PS5 setup, do not just buy the first 4K gaming monitor you see. Most people waste money on specs that don't even matter for console gaming. So today, I'm breaking down the monitors that actually give you the best PS5 experience, real 4K clarity, smooth 120 to 240 Hz motion, HDMI 2.1 support, and the features that make a difference in everyday gaming. Before we get into the models, remember, all product links are in the description if you want to check prices or grab one. Let's talk about a display that blows people away the moment they see it. The Dell Alienware AW3225QF is a 31.6-inch 4K curved OLED beast built for anyone who wants their PS5 games to look ridiculously smooth and cinematic. That 240 Hz refresh rate is way more than the PS5's 120 Hz limit. But trust me, the extra overhead gives buttery motion, reduced blur, and cleaner frame transitions. Combine that with deep OLED blacks, excellent HDR, and a beautifully immersive curve, and gaming suddenly feels like you're inside the world rather than watching it. It's pricey, but if you want the absolute premium OLED console experience, this is the one. Let's jump to something that feels like a PS5 performance cheat code. The MSI MPG321URXQD OLED is a 32-inch 4K monitor that pushes brightness and color accuracy to another level thanks to the quantum dot OLED panel. You're getting 0.03 milliseconds response time, insane HDR performance, and vibrant highlights that make games like Spider-Man 2 and Horizon Forbidden West look unreal. It also has 90-watt USB-C for charging and HDMI ports that fully support PS5's 4K 120 Hz output. If you want crisp visuals plus that QD OLED punch, this thing delivers. Then there's the monitor that every PC and console gamer has been drooling over, the ASUS ROG Swift PG32 UCDM. Think of this as the flagship of flagships. It's a 32-inch 4K QD OLED with 240 Hz, 0.03 milliseconds pixel response, and crazy color reproduction, 99% DCI-P3 in true 10-bit color. ASUS even built a custom heatsink and graphene film to prevent OLED burn-in and keep brightness stable during long gaming sessions. With G-Sync compatibility, perfect HDR performance, and HDMI 2.1 input, your PS5 games will look sharp, fluid, and incredibly lifelike. If you want the most future-proof PS5 monitor right now, this is it. But maybe you're watching this and thinking, okay, but I don't need OLED, I just want fast response and great HDR without spending a fortune. That's where the AOC Q27G3XMN shines. It's a 27-inch QHD mini LED monitor with 180 Hz refresh rate and blistering 1 millisecond response time. And even though it's not 4K, the mini LED backlighting gives it HDR performance that punches way above its price. sRGB at 137.5%, Display HDR 1000, and Adaptive Sync make it perfect for competitive PS5 gaming, racing, shooters, sports titles, without the OLED price tag. If you want the sweet spot between price, size, and future-proof specs, the GIGABYTE M32UC is the one you should look at. It's a 32-inch curved 4K gaming monitor with 144 Hz refresh, 160 Hz overclocked, a fast VA panel, and HDMI 2.1 ports that let you play PS5 games at full 4K 120Hz. The curve adds a bit of cinematic immersion, and the MPRT 1ms response time keeps motion sharp. It's one of the best value for money 4K monitors for console gamers because you get size, clarity, smoothness, and connectivity without spending OLED level money. All the monitors featured in this roundup are linked in the description if you want to check updated prices or grab one for your PS5 setup. And if you want more console gear recommendations, hit that like button and subscribe. I drop new buying guides every day,